Cinchona in glass house of Indian Botanic Garden. 12th director of Indian Botanic Garden was an allopathic doctor, Dr. Thomas Anderson. He planted 1 lakh acre of Cinchona in Darjeeling, 1 lakh acre in Sri Lanka, and 1,36,000 acres in OOTTY. So this time I gave Cinchona to, yesterday I gave Mavo, and today I am putting Cinchona in the cactus in the greenhouse. I think that nobody will, anyway, I am putting here. So this inside the thoda temperature kami aayega. So moreover this period is अच्छा है. Am I correct? Here the temperature, North India temperature is low. So this climate में अच्छा है. But sometimes nearly 40 degree आएगा. That time it will not survive. So at least it will survive here. I hope that nobody will remove it. Anyway, it is written there clearly. So Lloyd, this botanic garden was started in which year? Can you say? 1787. How many years back? Nearly 250? Then after 1787, 1878, Lloyd Botanic Garden, Darjeeling started. Have you seen that Darjeeling?
No.
It is there. Then after 1979, Tropical Botanic Garden, Tribhuvan started. Yeah, tropical. That is very famous. Anyway, this is the national tree of Peru, a single plant.
Lloyd.
Yeah, LBG, Lloyd Botanic Garden, Darjeeling. So this cactus house.